If you've been wondering how to remove hiss in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to clean up noisy audio and reduce that distracting hiss so your recording sounds much more polished and professional. This is especially useful for voiceovers, podcasts, interviews, or any recording where background noise is getting in the way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity tips just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your audio project in Audacity and find a silent section of the track that contains only the hiss. You want at least half a second of this noise by itself, with no talking, no music, and no other sounds mixed in. This step is important because Audacity needs a sample of the noise you want to remove. Once you've found that clean noise section, click and drag to highlight it carefully. Now go up to the Effect menu at the top of the screen. From there, hover over Noise Removal and Repair. In that submenu, click Noise Reduction. This will open the Noise Reduction window where Audacity can learn the hiss pattern from your selection. Inside that window, click the Get Noise Profile button. As soon as you do that, Audacity analyzes the hiss from the selected section and stores it as a profile. After that, you need to apply the effect to the full recording. So click the track header to select the entire track. You can also use the usual Select All option if needed, but the important thing is that the whole track is selected before you continue. Once the full track is selected, go back to Effect, then Noise Removal and Repair, and choose Noise Reduction again. This time, instead of creating a profile, you're applying the reduction settings to the audio. Now set Noise Reduction in dB to 12. This tells Audacity how much hiss to remove. Next, set Sensitivity to 6.00. This controls how aggressively the software detects and removes noise. After that, set Frequency Smoothing and Bands to 3. This helps make the cleanup sound a little more natural and less harsh. Once those settings are in place, click OK and let Audacity process the track. Depending on the length of your audio, this may take a few seconds. When it's finished, listen back to the audio and compare it to the original. You should notice that the hiss has been reduced and your voice or main audio sounds much cleaner. If the noise is still a little strong, you can always undo and try again with slightly adjusted settings, but these values are a great starting point for most recordings. And that's it. You've learned how to remove hiss in Audacity using the built-in noise reduction tool. It's a quick process once you know the steps, and it can make a huge difference in the quality of your audio. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.